our honorable principal and each one of you to present here, to witness and judge the debate competition. First of all, we all will have a prayer to get the Almighty's blessings with us. I request each one of you to stand at your place and pray to Almighty. O God, our Father, loving and kind, may there be lasting peace in our mind. May we all as brothers live and learn to bear and forgive. May there be lasting peace in our mind. May we all as brothers live and learn to bear and forgive. May there be lasting peace in our mind. Amen. You may have your seats at your respective places. Nelson Mandela's words we all know. Don't raise your voice, improve your argument. My dear students, follow the same strategy. The ambience and aura surrounding the day is positive. Soon, the spirit of students will unfold the colors of merriments for good ideas, innovations, true facts, human interaction, argument and debate. So the purpose of this debate competition is same. Without wasting a single second, let us proceed with the event. Before we start, I just want some steps to be followed for this debate competition. The rules to be followed for this debate competition will be: each participant of the group has to speak. The round will start with a positive and followed by the for and against. 18 minutes will be given to each participant, each group, to speak, to put their views. Negative and foul language must not be used. No one will be targeted by the name individually. The final decision will be made by the judges. The points will be on cooperation, vocabulary, grammar, factual, gesture, confidence, equal participation of the performers, the time limit, quality of language, and the points which we already discussed. Now to start the competition, I call upon our head girl of Nirmala Convent School, Ms. Sazil Khan, and our head boy, Master Keshav, to come on the stage and pick the slips and announce the same for the participants and the groups which are going to compete and will be the debaters of the first round. I also want to declare the judges of the first round: Teresa, Sister Teresa, and Shannon. I request all the arrangement takers and the managers to give the slips and the arrangements for the judgments to the judges. Thank you. We will start the competition now. I request Mansi ma'am to give the slips.
The first debate will be between Yellow House and Green House.
The second debaters will be Blue House and Red House.
A very decent good morning to everyone present here. We are the members of Yellow House are here to capture the insights of the most convenient topic, that is mobile. And we are in the favor of mobile phones. So as we know, mobile phones are very essential for us now.
because one of the biggest disadvantage for students that they are using mobiles too much and going that much inside they are not even listening to their parents. Your point is incorrect. It saves our time and we don't like making it. It saves our time and we can do online shopping from it. It helps us police to catch criminals and we can find locations and it is beneficial in many ways. It helps us in many ways in communication or in emergency. It entertains us and it is very small and convenient. And if not take enough space,
The location which we search on mobile is the shortest distance between the two places. And that distance may be damaged, means that roads would be not good. And the next point I want to start is that the shares of the share market go up and down daily so many times in a single day. And they fluctuate and the investor may face heavy losses. And these losses may result in suicides by the investors.
I found that the mobile is the best source of communication nowadays. Before mobile phones were not there and if they are somewhere, they are very costly for the communication. Nowadays with the help of mobiles, we can talk to anyone with our friends and our relatives. Within a second, we can talk to anyone present anywhere in the world.
You talk about communication. I don't say that. Do you know why communicating by mobile, how much radiation it occurs? And the radiation is very much harmful for human being. It causes cancer and many more diseases. And apart from this, not only human, it also causes harmful for all the living things present in this world. For example, if we see thousands and thousands of birds are dying because of this radiation. What about them? This world is not only for humans. We should take care of all those who are present in this world.
Sorry, but I don't agree with you. Without the mobile, we can't do anything. Nowadays, during this pandemic, everyone are doing online, taking online classes. And online classes, because of online classes, we have not wasted our that much time. Through the many means like YouTube, and we can study very well. It is because of YouTube, it is very convenient and it is easy to understand the concept.
Okay, you are telling about the online classes, but on the TVs there are most of the channels who are giving the studies for the children. You can also study from the TVs also.
But mobile phones is very big more than the TV. That the mobile phones are big. All have mobile phones, but all the persons do not have TV. And so many things are available in TV and so many things are available in mobile phones also. But the apps that helps in our mobile phones are very useful also. And in TV you can get Byju's, Vedantu or other things more than this.
I do not agree with your point. It may cause also health issues. Sometimes by using the mobile phones, we have observed the different things like the redness, and small eyesight and the burning problems eyes. What about it?
But there are very high qualities of mobile. With mobile, we can contact with anyone. People feel safe to send their children out for studies because they know if they have mobile and they can contact them anytime. If we call them without mobile, we won't feel safe. If you go somewhere and you don't have mobile, you will not feel safe because if you have mobile and you will go out, that time you feel safe because you know you can contact with any of your family members or friends, they will help you. But if you don't have mobile, what you will do? Then you will write a letter.
Mobile make once people start using mobiles, they go using them. They get addicted to it, and it affects their health a lot. They become fat and they do not do any exercises. Only they run mobile. And nowadays we are seeing cases of cyberbullying. In cyberbullying, the hackers take the mobile and bully the persons. And sometimes the persons may get afraid, and sometimes they will suicide also.
With the help of mobile, we can do online shopping. We can buy anything and we can save our time. As Keshav told that there are some hackers making the phone, but we can create a certain password that they cannot hack it.
Hacking a mobile is very easy. If you are setting a password, then also it can be hacked easily. And you are telling about online shopping. Online shopping, only 30% it passed, but 70% the dresses and all what you are buying from online is coming worst. And the online shopping promotes foreigner company, not to Indian. What about Indian? The small shopkeepers, they are just on road. They came on road because of this online shopping.
During this pandemic, we are using online shopping app in mobile phones. These mobile phones are very beneficial for us. I don't think it, but because of that, students are taking misuse of that. Students always want to use mobile for study. They are telling to their parents that I want to study my online classes, but behind that they are using playing games, playing video games and listening to music and all. What about it?
No, it is a problem of the humans. It is not the problem of the mobile. They are using mobile phone can be used in a better way also.
How?
If you are telling about the mobile are not good, but if you told that the Indian shopkeepers they are not getting beneficial. But if we see with the help of technology, our GDP is very high. Our GDP technology contributes in our GDP too much because of mobile and seems like we take example of same Jio that Ambani got the lot of and he is the one of the billionaires of in this world. But all the phones are not of Indian. Many of the phones are of foreigner also. This is the semi-final terror one, but it has proved so many good points to the humanity. It has caused many benefits to the humankind. For example, people have learned how to help others. First of all, people did not used to help any others. Once, little time ago, there was a video where one person made the video of the people. One person was dying on the road and nobody helped. But now, due to this pandemic, everyone has come to realize the value of life and have started helping others.
It's very rightly said by the great personality Melinda Gates that the COVID-19 pandemic has just left negative impacts on the society. It has magnified all the social inequalities like gender inequality, systemic racism, domestic violence, decrease in economy and increase in poverty.
Due to this pandemic, our India realized that in future it is ready for medicines, for staffs, and the hospitals are also built.
The laborers who were abroad from their houses to earn money in a big city, but due to lockdown, they can't get their wages, and this lead to the lacking of food and resulting in many deaths of people.
Big celebrities and rich people are also helped them. They supplied monies and donated many other things, food supplies, and government has also helped them.
because of this lockdown, we all were locked in our houses. We all were caught in our houses, just like a prisoner in a jail. We all were on the rest, our minded were on the rest. We were not able to do anything.
That is a good point for us. Even first time in the life, any human might have spent this much of family time with the family. Have you ever so much given time for your hobbies? No, but in this pandemic, people have started enjoying their life, enjoying their hobbies. They have spent most of their times with the people. And you said that we all were at rest, we didn't do anything. But when the person is at rest, when he has nothing to do, that is the time when he is getting the best of the ideas in case of business or studies or anything.
Basically, I totally disagree with your first point. The main thing you said is there was a video a few years ago in which a person is dying and people is not helping him. This is still applicable. If anybody is having corona, the whole street is isolated and people struggle to get their food and basic things like soap for washing hands. They didn't even get any proper sanitation or they didn't even get proper drinkable water. Due to of isolation, people struggle to live their life normally.
People are very aware with their helping each other.
Interruption of schools, colleges, social activities and sports made the students to stay at home, and this led to high risk of cell phones and internet, which were very closely linked with obesity and other health related issues. Only 40% of the students during the lockdown attended the online classes, whereas if we compare it today, in offline classes the adoption rate is 90%.
But when the students were at home, they were studying very nicely due to online classes. And students, they have learned how to do self-study because the schools were closed. They have learned how to do self-studies and now they know how to choose the best career. They know what they are good at and they know the good career options what they have to choose.
Now what do you want to say about the functions, the national functions, marriages and also the Olympic was postponed? What do you want to say about that? A very long chain of Olympic was break down because of this COVID. What do you want to say about it?
It was just delayed. It was just delayed, but it can be in the future. It was only for everyone's safety.
What about the poor students who did not have access to any internet devices? This may impact their careers in the future.
Today, everyone has mobile phone and children who are not studying with the help of mobile phone, they are studying with the TV, television.
Actually, due to COVID-19, we have a great an accessory to wear out, which is this mask. And anybody in the world don't like to wear mask normally. So, and it is also another thing to carry out. And we get to know that we should make distance of proper 6 feet, which we cannot maintain on a daily basis. And it is just a pandemic, not like any normal common cold or thing. People get recovered from that. But in this case, COVID-19, many people lost their life. And there was a huge economic crisis of GDP. Even I think I want to say something that our study level has gone more down than the GDP of our country.
First of all, I would like to tell you that if one person doesn't like to wear mask, what is that? Even when people were getting flu earlier, they were not aware that when they are having virus, they should wear mask. But now, due to this pandemic, everyone knows that they have to wear mask, even if they are having flu or not. They have to get their hands sanitized. They have to wash their hands on regular basis. And in case of GDP, we
only Amazon has resulted 15,000 new businesses, and that will surely help in India's GDP to raise. And even it is giving employment to the people who are not having livelihood.
The COVID pandemic has harmed the poor people most, and it pushes millions of people into the poverty.
Nitrogen dioxide. NO2 is a toxic gas that came from engine of car, buses, trucks, etc. But due to this lockdown, the car buses are not good riding on the roads. For that, the NO2 toxic gas rate goes down. This gases directly affect our breathing pipe. With this disease, you got a disease like asthma.
Okay, during the lockdown, the news came from Jalandhar in Punjab that the concentration of nitrogen dioxide in the atmosphere has decreased. But again it started raising up, and again the ozone layer is affected. And what about the migrant workers from small towns and villages who work in other cities? 198 workers were died due to starvation. Where was the government? Only the few facilities which were provided by the government sides also were very unhygienic. So many people were just trapped at a single place with lack of sanitation facilities, which again led to many diseases. The increase, I agree that an ozone layer is again being depleted, but people are aware of it, and now they are using the vehicles very less. They know the actual price of life, and they are trying to secure the atmosphere. And then when the people were stuck in one places, the government has helped them so much, and the government has helped them with money, with food and everything. And now as the government knows that if again lockdown is there, then again they have to migrate, and also the government has started making the refugee houses, and there it is providing all the facilities to the immigrants.
First of all, if we talk about India is not just a small country like Indonesia or Singapore like that, where GDP can go up and down very easily. India is a vast country, and there are many levels of governments here, and this can lead to the corruption. Okay, so if government provide any money or food to the migrants, are you sure that they goes to them properly?
First and foremost, congratulations to all of you. All have done their best. So you can give a clap for everyone. You have done better than other day. So all mostly cooperation and your efforts, the power of saying, convincing way of saying everything was. But you have to, there is a room for improvement. Okay, so you all cannot get a first. So somebody has to be, there is not much difference, some points difference only. So this is after a long lockdown, you know that we have gone with it. So you were also, some more topic you could have been taken and you could have developed it. So first and foremost, first group, the green and yellow. So who do you think have won? Yes? Each group will tell their own house. That is natural. That is natural. So all of you are done as I said. But greenhouse. Yes. I already said other group is, as I said, there is a. Okay. The second round also, the first round, second groups, blue and red.
And we know that all the students, they have performed well. The participants were all good at their best. Now I invite the semi-finalists to come on the stage fast. Semi-finalists, the green house and the red house. The debaters will come fast on the stage. Now you have to prepare yourself more.
Red house. So last time, I think it was opposite, I think. So all of you have done better. So now you can do more. You have to work hard more. Make a topic, thorough study of the topic and do that. Wish you all the best.
Good morning, honorable judges and my worthy opponents. Today our team is going to speak in motion of advantages of healthy food. So if anybody wants to live a healthy life or a physical and mental peace, if you want to get, it's all started from your diet.
Good morning everyone. Today's debate, our topic is junk food. Now I want to introduce some benefits of junk food to you. Junk food like chocolate increase brain power and reduce stress. Ice cream, it's a good source of calcium. Alcohol, it reduces stroke and risk of diabetes and etc.
Also during this pandemic, there was a lack of healthy food, and because of this, everyone was not healthy. And at this time, we need to keep our immunity stronger and stronger. And that type of immunity is not gained by the junk food. For this, we have to gain much and much of amount of healthy food.
Junk food is also known as fast food. It is cheaper than healthier food. If you're going to buy a healthy food, it is much more costly. But on the other hand, if you are going to buy a junk food, it is cheaper than that.
Healthy foods help us to live longer and it boosts our immunity.
But the junk food also increase our brain power.
You said that junk food is cheaper, but what about the diet it carries? The nutrition also are very less. And it is in the recent article that came in the newspaper, it states that by the Unani and Ayurveda doctors, it is proved that healthy food makes the people stay longer.
If a person living far from his or her family, he will not sit and cook healthy food in their kitchen. They will go out and buy junk food and eat that. In today's world, nobody is having that much time to cook healthy food or to eat. But since junk food is available 24/4 hours in the day, we can eat it anytime.
So you are saying cheaper. What do you mean? If we save money, can we save our life? Is junk food more healthier than the healthy food? Yes, it is that healthy food is not that much cheaper, but it contains that much of energy that makes us healthy.
In life, not only health matters, our taste also matters. We should eat what we like, not only for health, we should eat anything.
The pleasure which you are talking about, you get from that junk food. It's just pleasure. The nutrients you are talking about, we can get much more than that in healthy food. There is also some foods which are healthy and we can make it at home in less than 15 minutes. I am not talking about high protein foods or high carbohydrate foods. But if we can even eat fruits or normal vegetables, if we can boil them just, we can get the nutrients very easily, which is more than that pleasure of junk.
But it is kids' favorite.
See, junk food always comes in packets and it is stored under preservatives. And preservatives are obviously not good for our health and they are hazardous.
Junk food not only include the things which are packed in packets, but also many other things. For example, breads and all.
kids do not want to eat anything and they lag behind in nutrition. But junk food helps kids to become more in health, and kids like it very much and eat very much junk food.
You are saying that you like junk food. Yes, everyone's favorite is junk food, but you know its efficiency. That we know that more than 50% of junk food consumption can go to heart loss problems.
But we are not telling that you eat so much junk food. We are telling that you eat but in limit.
Okay, so I totally disagree with you. If we examine a person who is eating healthy and also another person who is eating junk, and they both exercises same time and same equipment by the exercises, but you can easily see the difference of who is bulking and who is shredded and who is healthy.
Beginning only, I told so many advantages of junk food. So many different type of junk foods give a lot of benefits. We can eat daily different types of junk foods and do exercises and become fit.
Junk food directly attacks the younger children. They face problems such as obesity and other health-related issues also. Diabetes also is a major problem. If you could have noticed that fat people are attacked earlier by diabetes. Junk food save our time. For example, if we are feeling hungry now, we will not sit and cook or prepare healthy food. But if we are feeling hungry now, we can go out and buy junk food and we can prevent it.
There is not even a single disease which is caused by eating healthy food. All the diseases which is caused by eating food is junk food. If anybody eats healthy food and then he is saying that I got sick because I ate spinach or I ate broccoli, then this is not even possible. But anyone can say that I ate burger and I feel sick.
No, it is not. You are totally wrong because eating too much healthy food may increase your creatine level also. For girls as well as for the women who are under pregnancy, for them also healthy food is very important.
Okay, but it is the children's favorite and it is available in everything. Suppose you have travel in the train and you want the food, you are hungry, you will get a healthy food.
For children, for teenagers, we need more and more nutrients, more and more vitamins and more proteins for our body growth, and that is not present in the junk food.
How you can say that healthy foods are, all healthy foods are healthy only. You can see that healthy foods are like tomato and that all vegetables are only healthy food, and that healthy foods are also chemicalized because in land we are growing healthy food. We are using HIV seeds and the HIV seeds are chemicalized. Healthy food increases our immunity.
Junk food also does not affect the health of a person that much. With eating junk food, we can use immunity boosters like giloy juice and kadha, and we can maintain our health and we can build up our immunity and we can eat junk food.
See, kadha doesn't come under junk food. It is included under healthy food. And nowadays we get some cold drinks such as Sprites and Fantas and all. People consider them as good products for the digestive system, but it directly attacks our heart.
But how you can say that the product don't come in healthy food, then exercise are coming in healthy food. You are telling us that we are eating, like some people are eating so much healthy food and they are too much fatty. So this word that we can do exercise and we can do exercise. So we can drink kadha also.
If anybody is just eating burger, he's just getting obese, it just fill up their tummy, but we cannot get any proper nutrients from that. So if anybody is eating just green leafy vegetables, it is not enough for their nutrients. Healthy food have diversity of it, which also contains some proteins and and carbohydrates and many vitamins in it. So just like anybody can't live while eating, while only if they eat carrot for their whole life they cannot live. Human body needs proper nutrition, which we can easily get from diverse but healthy diet, not by any junk food.
If you go any restaurant or hotel, you want to order healthy food and all. You just will go and jump up in junk food. So yeah, it is very tasty.
I congratulate both the groups, Red House as well as the Green House, for your hard work, your cooperation and your commitment in preparing yourself and presenting it. So here are the results. The house which stands first is the Red House with a 52.5. The second is the Green House with 57.5. Inspired, I congratulate both the groups for your hard work, and at the same time we appreciate the Red House. Thank you and God bless you. Mr. Santoshi for announcing the authentic result, although I know it was a very delicate one, but yes, the winners and the runners-ups both have proved their best. At the end, I thank each and everyone who has made this event to be successful, and the students, those who made their discipline, the teachers and the staff who have arranged the event very nicely to give a very good scenario to the students as well as the debaters. I thank each and everyone. Have a good day, good time.